What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. New day, new mod. I have some new lighting in replacement of these two pop-ups that you see right here. I got kind of bored of the yellow light of these. Barely see anything when it comes to this shining in the ground. So during all this time I had to use the light bar that you see right here. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm kind of tired of the light bar. And I found out a way how to take it off and put it in easier, just in case I want to put it back on for off-roading purposes or whatever, you know, just in case I want extra lighting or so. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be taking it off after I put in the new headlights that you guys see. They were only 50 bucks on eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. The build quality looks really good. They're LED. There has to be a bit of wiring that has to be in play of this. If you guys do like this video, make sure to like, button, and subscribe. Yeah, let's get this going. Let's open the hood and let's start unscrewing. So first, what we gotta do is we gotta unscrew this right here, the black panels on both sides. So now that I've taken out the eyelids, I have to unscrew these three right here. They're really small, so we gotta be careful with these. So now that you have taken out all three bolts, so you're gonna have this little ring right here. Keep it because you're gonna be, well, I'm gonna be putting on after. There we go. And yeah, it's really dirty. Jeez, this is really old. Alright guys, so I went to my nearest AutoZone and went to get some 18 gauge wires in order to get the daylight halos turned on and all that. I got some T-taps and some connectors right here in order to connect these to the ones that were in the halos. So pretty much the T-taps are for the halo itself and for the turn signal, while these are for, well, in order to connect all of them together. Alright guys, so now it is time to put in the lights. Alright, and then I could clip this right here. There's a little clip where I could safely put this. There we go. Now it is stable. Alrighty guys, so everything is wired up. Everything is how it's supposed to be. I just want to test them out to see if all the wiring and if all the buttons and the machinery is gonna work. So let's do it. Hopefully my wiring is legit. Nice. I got halos, boys. Okay, so this is the high beam. I mean the low beam. And now I need to turn on the car in order to try out the turn signals. Alright, so these are the emergency lights. Nice, they be working. Nice, that's good. Okay, so the left one and then the right one. But now it is perfect. All I need to do is put the lights back on, and yeah, I get to finally drive it. So I might as well take out the light bar because it is not in need right now. All right, well, light bar is finally off, and now it has no teeth. It looks way better. Way better now, huh? Except what do you call it, instead of those ugly halogen ones? It looks way better. Have you turned it on yet? Huh? Have you turned it on? Oh yeah, I'll show you right now. Perfect. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to like, button, and subscribe. I'm really glad I invested in some halos because not only it looks really good, but it shines way brighter than the light bar that was under there. So yeah, now they're looking really nice. And I just finished cleaning it, so yeah, I'm gonna wrap it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.